Baby who has grown up here on the farm, and I think this pig is almost a year old. What a hungry pig looks like, boys and girls. You? I've seen you for a while. How are you? Yes? Yes? What? You saying hi? Huh? You saying hi? You saying hi to me and the boys and girls? Huh? You're getting big. You're gonna be a big mama, huh? We have babies. Yeah. The farmer's taking good care of you because you're going to be a mama and have babies. What? Mama, you had your babies. Look at that. There they are. Look like they're about a week old. There's a couple over here. And Peter. Look at that, boys and girls. Goodness, a new mom. A new mommy. Babies are underneath the sun lamp because it's cold outside.